How to verify your Cash App ID or how to verify your Cash App account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify your Cash App account. And first thing, I'll just be guiding you through, since the app itself is not available in my region. You want to first launch the Cash App. Once you open the Cash App mobile or the Cash App application on your mobile, you can simply download it if you have it from the Play Store or App Store. Then you want to access your profile on the Cash App application. Simply log into your account and then tap on your profile picture that you'll find in the top right corner of your screen. This will open your profile menu. Once you do so, you want to navigate to Security and Privacy. Within your profile menu, locate and select the Security and Privacy option. This section contains various settings related to your account security. You want to find the option that says Verification. Under Security and Privacy, you shall see a section titled Verification. This section displays your current verification status, verified or not verified, and provides the option to initiate the process if needed. Then you want to start the verification process. If your account is not yet verified, tap on the Verify button. This will begin the verification process. During the verification process, you will have to provide your full legal name, ensure it matches the name on your government issued ID, date of birth, last 4 digits of social security number, and additional verification which is always not mandatory. It may request further information such as full SSN, residential address, unexpired government issued photo ID, income verification, and such. You want to make sure the information you have entered is correct and then simply submit it and wait for verification. Once your verification is completed, you'll get the verified shown up there. So this way you can verify your Cash App ID. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.